In prime time news this evening, brazen murder in busy halfway tree shopping plaza. States of emergency again, government response to rising murder figures, we have reactions. Taxi protest impact assess, stakeholders say system flaws exposed.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, inflation has gone up again. When compared to last year, the cost of goods has increased by 9.9%. What does that mean for you? That and more in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer. Spencer, what do you have for us in sports?
Thank you, Herman. Well, there's a trend, a global trend that is of women returning to sporting competition after giving birth. A few Jamaicans have gone that route in recent times. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And there's also sports commentary, feedback question. Well, sports commentary, weather. But here's what's up in the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the reintroduction of states of public emergency?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.